If you're gonna remember just one date before you go to bed tonight, make it August 8th, 2026. Millions of people believe that today, the so-called Lion's Gate 888 is opening. Some say it's nothing more than an internet myth. Others believe it could mark the beginning of a major change. But here's where things get even more interesting. This year, an astrological event has also caught a lot of attention around this date. So, what's actually going on? Let me ask you something. If nothing is really happening today, then why are millions of people around the world celebrating this exact date? Why are there thousands of videos all about August 8th? Are all of these people getting it wrong? Or is there something most people don't know about? To find the answer, we have to go back thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, the reappearance of the bright star Sirius in the sky lined up with the beginning of the Nile's annual flooding, an event that marked the start of a new season for the people of that time. Today, some people connect this ancient timing with the season of Leo, and say it inspired what we now call the Lion's Gate portal. But from a scientific point of view, there's no actual cosmic gateway opening in space. It's a name and a spiritual and cultural belief. Now let's get into astrology. In astrology, Leo is associated with confidence, creativity, leadership, and self-expression. But things get even more interesting when Jupiter enters the picture. In astrology, Jupiter is often associated with growth, expansion, luck, and opportunity. When Jupiter moves into Leo, astrologers interpret this combination as a period of increased confidence, visibility, creativity, and taking on bigger projects. It's like combining Jupiter's energy with the symbolism of the lion, a powerful mix that some people call a time to shine. Now, let's look at this energy from another angle. In astrology, the zodiac signs are divided into 4 elements, and each one has its own interpretation. Fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, the message. A time to take action and be bold. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the message. Build your future and create stability. Wind phase air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, the message. New ideas, communication, and connection. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, the message. Emotions, inner growth, and personal transformation. Of course, these are astrological interpretations and they haven't been scientifically proven. But for many people, these symbols can still be a way to reflect on their goals, their lives, and the changes they want to make. But what if this whole story isn't really about the sky? What if the real reason 8/8 has become so popular is simply because we, as humans, give meaning to symbolic dates? When we choose a specific day to represent a fresh start, we might actually be more motivated to make a real change. Maybe that's the real secret behind the lasting popularity of 8/8. So there are basically 3 different ways to look at this. The first, science. Science doesn't support the idea of a physical portal opening in the sky. The second, astrology. Astrology sees this day as a symbol of opportunity, growth, and new beginnings. And the third, psychology. Psychology suggests that meaningful dates and symbols can sometimes motivate us to make new decisions and take action. So, which one is closer to the truth? Maybe the answer is different for everyone. The sun will rise again, just like it does every other day, but maybe what makes today different isn't the sky itself. Maybe it's the decision you make. So now it's your turn. If August 8th, 2026 could mark just one change in your life, what would that change be? Tell me in the comments. Because maybe the real story of the 888 portal starts right here.